In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a page in half on Canva. If you're creating side-by-side comparisons, before and after layouts, or just want a clean, balanced design, splitting your page evenly makes everything look polished and intentional. I'll walk you through it using Canva's built-in rulers, guides, and a simple divider so your layout snaps into place perfectly. Start by opening the design you want to work on in Canva. To make precise alignment possible, turn on the rulers and guides. Go to the File menu, open Settings, and choose Show Rulers and Guides. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Shift+R to toggle them. You'll notice rulers appear along the top and left edge of your canvas. These are your reference points, and they allow you to pull out guides that help everything line up evenly. Next, add your guides. Move your cursor over the ruler and click, then drag onto the canvas. As you drag, Canva shows pink alignment hints when you hit the exact center. Release your mouse when you see that center indicator to drop a vertical guide for a left and right split. If you want a top and bottom split, repeat the same motion from the top ruler to place a horizontal guide at the midpoint. These guides don't print and won't export, they're just there to help you line things up accurately while you design. Now create the divider so the split is visually clear. One easy option is to add a line. Go to the elements and pick a simple line, then drag it toward the guide. You'll feel it snap to the guide, which ensures it's perfectly centered. Adjust the line's thickness and color so it stands out just enough without overpowering your design. Another option is to use a text box placed along the guide, especially if you want a label divider, like pros on one side and cons on the other. Align the text to the guide so your two columns feel balanced. If you're working in Canva Docs, you can also use the columns feature to achieve a clean split. Create two columns and align your content with the guide to keep everything consistent. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.